ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि द्वितीय अध्याय श्लोक नंबर 42 पेज नंबर 75। आर्तमन्यदृशेः सर्वं नेति नेतीति चासकृत् वदन्ति निर्गुणं ब्रह्म कथं श्रुतिरुपेक्ष्यते। आर्तमन्यदृशेः सर्वं नेति नेतीति चासकृत् वदन्ति निर्गुणं ब्रह्म कथं श्रुतिरुपेक्ष्यते। Siddhanti is explaining that ahankara is neither dharma of Atma and that ahankara is mithya. अन्यत् सर्वं दृशेः अन्यत् सर्वं आर्तम नेति नेति इति च निर्गुणं ब्रह्म इति च ब्रह्म असकृत् निर्गुणं वदन्ति श्रुति कथम उपेक्षते। सिद्धांत इज टेलिंग पूर्व पक्षी और शिष्य that why are you doing upeksha of कर्मणि प्रयोग उपेक्ष्यते त्वया श्रुति which more than once means repeatedly has said Brahma is nirgunam. Brahma cannot have ahankara as its guna. And drishehe anyat, other than drishi, atma, sarvam artam. Neti neti iti cha, and everything is negated by saying neti neti. So Shruti talks of Nirguna Brahma, and other than Brahma everything is mithya. Therefore you cannot say that there is dharma like ahankara or guna of atma like ahankara. टीका आर्तम अन्यदिति नान्यो तो अस्ति द्रष्टा इति उपक्रम्य अतो अन्यदार्तम इति द्रष्ट्रात्म व्यतिरिक्तस्य सर्वस्य दृश्यजातस्य विनाशित्वेन नित्य आत्मधर्मत्व निराकरणात् in बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद in the Ato Anyadartam, this is given in चतुर्थ ब्राह्मण. न दृष्टेर द्रष्टारं पश्येहे न श्रुतेर श्रोतारं शृणुयाः न मतेर मंतारं मन्विताः न विज्ञातेर विज्ञातारं विजानीयाः एषतात्मा सर्वान्तरो अतो अन्यदार्तम् ततोह उषस्थ चाक्रायण उपरराम. So this is at one place, and here नान्यो अतो अस्ति द्रष्टा नान्यो अतो अस्ति श्रोता मंता विज्ञाता. This is also given in the same Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, 3rd chapter. Neti Neti comes 3 times in Brihadaranyaka, negating all the attributes of Atma and also negating everything other than Atma. Ato Anyat Artam. So, Nanyo Ato Asti Drashta. Ataha Anyo Drashta Na. Other than this one Chaitanya, there is no other Drashta. There is no other Shota, there is no other Manta, there is no other Vijnata. In this way, Shruti has negated more than one Chaitanya. And other than this Chaitanya, everything is Mithya, Vinashi. Artam means Vinashi. So, Drashtratma Vyatiriktasya Sarvasya Drishya Jatasya Vinashitvena. Other than this Drashta, Atma Vyatiriktasya Sarvasya Drishya Jatasya, everything that is Drishyam is Vinashi. Vinashitvena Nitya Atma Dharmatva Nirakaranat. Atma cannot have any Nitya Dharma. In fact, Atma doesn't have Dharma. We already saw, is it different, non-different? Both will become Drashta. Atma and Buddhi, both will become Drishya. If both are Drishya, then there is no Drashta, Jagadandhya Prasanga. If both are Drashta, then there is no Drishya remaining. Then Shruti Virodha, etc. will happen. So, other than Atma, Atma Vyatiriktasya Sarvasya Drishya Jatasya Vinashitvam. Everything is Vinashi other than Atma. Nityatma Dharmatva Nirakaranat. So, Nityatma Dharmatva is negated. Neti Neti iti Murta Murta Dvaya Nishedhacha. And by Neti Neti, Murta and Amurta both are negated in Murta Murta Brahmana. First time Neti Neti comes. सर्वदृश्य असंस्पर्शित्वम आत्मनः प्रदर्शयन्ति श्रुतिः. प्रदर्शयन्ति, this is
शत्रु प्रत्यय,
कर्तरी शत्रु. न उपेक्षते, you cannot do upeksha of that. न उपेक्ष्या, here you have to read श्रुतिः न उपेक्ष्या इत्यर्थः. What is the nature of Atma? Sarva Drishya Asamsparshi. No Drishya is touched by Atma. Atma doesn't get touched by any Drishya. Then how does the Drishya get its existence? How does Drishya gets the Bhasamanatvam? So it is said there is Sansarga Adhyasa. Atma is not associated with Drishya, but there is Adhyasa of Samsarga. ukte arthe smrutirapi pramanam aha, and in this smriti is also pramanam. महाभूतान्यहंकार इत्येतत् क्षेत्रमुच्यते न दृशेर्द्वैतयोगोऽस्ति विश्वेश्वरमतादपि महाभूतान्यहंकार इत्येतत् क्षेत्रमुच्यते न दृशेर्द्वैतयोगोऽस्ति विश्वेश्वरमतादपि. In त्रयोदश अध्याय in Bhagavad Gita, Mahabhutanyahankara. Anybody remembers the shloka for Kshetra?
बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च इन्द्रियाणि च दशैकं च पञ्चचेन्द्रिय गोचराः इच्छाद्वेषसुखं दुःखं संघातश्चेतना धृतिः एतत् क्षेत्रं समासेन सविकारम् उदाहृतम्.
Up to this is Kshetra. Mahabhutani, Ahankara, Buddhi, Avyaktam, Indriyani Dasha, then Ekam means Manaha, Indriyani Dasha Ekam cha, Pancha cha, Indriya Gocharaha, Vishayaha, Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasagandha. Then the Antakarana Vikaras are given, Ichha, Dvesha, Sukham, Dukkham, Sanghata. Chetana means Chidabhasa and Dhriti. All these kshetram drishehe dvaita yogo na asti vishweshwara matadapi. Even by Bhagavan's mata, Vishweshwara is Paramatma. By Bhagavan's mata, according to Bhagavad Gita also, Drishi Atma and Dvaita, between them there is no yoga, there is no sambandha. Atma and Atma has no sambandha. Sambandha adhyas is there. Very small tika, simple. Mahabhutadi drityantam. Drityantam sanghatas chetana dhriti. Up to that. Sarvam kshetrameva iti bhagavatapi uktatvat. Bhagavan has also said this. Atma samasta prapancha shunya iti avagamyata ityartha. Atma is samasta prapancha shunya. This gets known. Iti avagamyate. एवं श्रुति स्मृति मूल युक्ति सद्भावाद अहंकारादि ही सर्वोपि द्वैत प्रपंच आत्मनः सकाशात् विलक्षण इति उपसंहरति इत्याह. एवं in this way श्रुति स्मृति मूल युक्ति सद्भावात. How will you do samasa vigraha of this?
Shrutischa smritischa. Shruti smriti.
Then
Tasyaha moola yukti.
tasyaha moola yukti.
Tayoho.
Tayoho
मूलम यस्य सा युक्ति. तयोः.
No, you should understand what are you trying to say. Is Shruti Smriti has Yukti as its Moolam, or Yukti has Shruti Smriti as its Moolam?
Yukti has Shruti Smriti as Moolam.
So, Shruti Smriti is Moolam of Yukti. There is no Bahuri needed. Shruti Smriti
Moolam yasya.
Moolyam Bahurihi, if you do Shruti Smriti Moolam Yasyaha Yuktehe Sa Yukti Shruti Smriti Moola. श्रुति स्मृति मूलश्च तद युक्तिश्च इति श्रुति स्मृति मूल युक्ति तस्य सद्भावात्. So Shruti and Smriti is the moolam of Yukti. Yukti is based on Shruti and Smriti. So he quoted Shruti in 42, Smriti in 43. And all the Yuktis were given earlier. And therefore, what is the Nigamanam now? This is the Upasamhara Shloka. Ahankaradihi sarvopi dvaita prapancha atmanaha sakashad vilakshanaha. Iti Upasamharati. Ahankaradi samasta prapancha, dvaita prapancha is different from Atma, distinct from Atma. Atma is Satchit Ananda, Ananta Swarupa, Avikari. So, Dvaita Prapancha will be Virodhi of all of that. Iti Upasamharati Ityaha Aduna Prakrutartha Upasamharaha. Prakrutartha, its Upasamhara is being done now. Evametaddhirugnyeyam mithya siddhamanaatmakam mohamulang sudurbodham dvaitam yuktibhiratmanaha. Evametaddhirugnyeyam mithya siddhamanaatmakam mohamulang sudurbodham dvaitam yuktibhiratmanaha. Evam etad hiruk jneyam. Hiruk means prithak. Sureshwaracharya ji has to use different words than normally what people understand. Hiruk, instead of saying prithak jneyam, Atma and Anatma prithak, he says hiruk, hiruk jneyam. And Anatma is mithya siddham, anatmakam. That Anatma prapancha is mithya siddham, drishyam is mithya, and anatmakam. It does not have its swarupa, satta. Mohamulam, sudurbodham. Sudurbodham will have khal pratyaya. What is the sutra?
ईषदृष्टुषु कृच्छ्रार्थेषु खल.
Ishad dussushu krichrartheshu khala. Sudurbodham dvaitam atmanaha yuktibihi jneyam. With the yukti, you should understand that the dvaitam is all this. So, Atmanaha Anvaya you have to do with that. Atmanaha Hiruk. Atmanaha Prithak. Atmanaha Hiruk Jneyam. Understood the Anvaya? The Dvaita Prapancha should be known as Atmanaha Hiruk. How? Yuktivihi. Yuktivihi Atmanaha Hiruk Dvaitam Jneyam. And that Dvaitam will have all Visheshanas. Mithya Siddham Anatmakam Mohamulam Sudurbodham. Hiruk means Prithak. So when they are separated, this Viveka is what is going to help me. Atma, Ahankara, Vivek. Ahankara is Drishya, separated from me. Nanu Atmanaha Prithakve api Dvaitam सांख्यानाम इव पारमार्थिकम स्यात्. Okay, it can be different from Atma. Pruthaktvam is okay. Anatma is different from Atma. Anatma can be Satya. Sankhyanam iva, how Sankhyas have Dvaitam as Paramarthikam. Means Anatma is also Paramarthika, Atma is also Paramarthika. Syat iti ataha mithya siddham. So he adds all the Visheshanas for that. Mithya siddham. Now you see, those who are studying Brahma Sutra, तथापि अन्यथा ख्याति प्रवृत्तिनाम इव मिथ्यात्वं स्यात् इति अतः आह. अन्यथा ख्याति प्रवृत्तिनाम इव. अन्यथा ख्याति उसे
न्याय विशेष
न्याय वैशेषिक. देयर इज अन्यथा ख्याति. अन्यथा ख्यातिवादी व्हाट डू दे से? अन्यत्र अन्य धर्माध्यास. अन्यत्र अन्य धर्माध्यास. This is अन्यथा ख्यातिवादी. So somebody says, you are saying Jagat is mithya. Anyatha Khyatiwadi also will say it is mithya. Mithya means what is their idea of mithya? That Rajat which is there in Hatta is seen here. So this Rajat which is seen here due to Jnana Lakshana Sannikarsha is somewhere else. Therefore here it is mithya. This way you can take. Anyatra atra anyasya adhyasa. That mithya can you take? This is what he says. Anyatha khyati nam iva mithyatvam. This is one. Then he says not only anyatha khyati pravriti. Pravriti nam means next one. Next one is केचित्तु यत्र यद अध्यासस्तद विवेकाग्रह निबंधनो भ्रम इति.
Prabhakaram.
Prabhakar.
Prabhakar, what is Prabhakar? What is his khyati?
आख्याति
Akhyativadi. So first one was anyatha khyati. That was nyaya. Anyatra anya dharmadhyasa. Second one is akhyatimata. Akhyatimata is Prabhakara. Yatra yad adhyasas tad vivek agrahana. Two buddhis are there, pratyaksha buddhi and the smarana. But between them, viveka is not happening. Vivekasya agraha is the nibandhanam, karanam for Brahma. That is what is Brahma. So that way you can take mithyatva. This is Vikalpa 2. And anyatu yatra yadadhyasas tasyeva viparita dharmatva kalpanam achakshate. Who are these? I thought this was the easiest one.
Shunyavada.
Asatkyati.
Asatkhyativadi, Shunyavada. So they also have some viparita dharmatva kalpana that they call as mithya. So anyatha khyati pravritinam eva mithyatvam syat. And you can add the fourth one also, the kshanik vijnanavada atmakhyati. Iti ata aha, no, none of these. Anatmakam. This prapancha, dvaita prapancha is anatmakam. What is anatmakam? Swasvabhava rahitam ityartha. It does not have its own swarupa itself. It is void. Void means it is not shunyam. Void means it is neither sat, nor asat, nor sadasat. सत्यात्म कार्यस्य कथम एवं विधत्वम इति अतः. Somebody says, you say Brahma is Karana, Jagat is Karya. Satya Brahmanah Karyam should be Satyam. If Karana is Satya, Karya should be Satyam. How you say Karana is Mithya? Katham evam vidatvam iti ataha moha moolam. All this is moha moolam. Moha moola paramartha nahi. Lakshman Gita, I think that is what is said. All this is moha moola. It is not, there is no paramartha in this. But there moha moola means all this khyati and everything is not negated. Here your buddhi does lot of exercise and then you say it is moha moola. Tadeva katham iti ataha sudurbodham. This is difficult to grasp. Difficult to grasp because pramana yuktibhyam durnirupam ityartha. Through praman and yukti, it doesn't look sat, it doesn't look asat, it doesn't look sadasat, etc., etc. So it is durnirupam. Etadeva uttara shlokena upapadyate. Upapadyata ityaha. Kuto mithya siddhatvam dvaitasya iti chet. So the same idea is now elaborated only on the mithya part. So with 44, Atma and Sukshma Sharira Viveka is over. 1 to 10 shlokas were Upodghata. 11 onwards, Sthula Sharira Viveka started. Up to 21, I think. And 22 to 44, Sukshma Sharira Viveka. So Atma and Sukshma Sharira, they are separated, they are distinct. Now he is explaining further the avidya janya mithyatva of Dvaitam and that ahankara which is samsara karanam that he takes up now. Kuto mithya siddham dvaitasya, how do you say dvaita is mithya iti chet? Na pradhangnatmana siddhi ratmanonyasya vastunah atmavat kalpitastasmat dahankaradiratmani na pradhangnatmana siddhi ratmanonyasya vastunah atmavat kalpitastasma dahankaradiratmani na pradhang na atmana siddhi atmano anyasya vastunah atmanah anyasya vastunah atmavat na prithak siddhi na atmana siddhi tasmat ahankaradihi atmani kalpitah atmano anyasya vastunah. In Dvitiya Pada it is given. Those things which are different from Atma, their independent siddhi is not there, like how Atma has. So vastunah prithak siddhi na yatha atmanah, like how Atma is prithak siddha, independently existing, anatma is not. Or na anatmana siddhi, na atmana siddhi, Anatma is not Siddha being one with Atma, because it cannot be. They are Virodhi. Means Sarpa cannot coexist with Rajju, or the mirage water and the desert cannot coexist. They are Virodhi. Therefore, Ahankaradi, Tasmad Ahankaradi, they are Atmani Kalpita. They are Kalpita in Atma. Tika. न पृथक सद्रूपाद ज्ञान स्वभावाद आत्मनो अनन्यत्वादेव न पृथक सत्ता प्रतीति जड़स्य संभवतः। जड़स्य पृथक सत्ता च प्रतीति च इति पृथक सत्ता प्रतीति न संभवतः द्विवचनम। सत्ता एंड प्रतीति, existence and knowledge of Anatma separately is not possible. Independently, it is not possible. Why? Atma, which is Sadrupa and Jnana Swarupa, Jnana Swabhava. So, Sadrupat, Jnana Swabhavat, Atmanaha, Ananyatvat. They are not Pruthak. But they are also not apruthak. न पृथंग न पृथक किंचित इति तत्वविदो विदुः। नात्म भावेन नानेदम न स्वेनापि कथंचन। ठीक है?
जी हाँ।
So this is that idea. First, the Atma Bhavena Nanedam, that is not taken. Na Pruthak, na Apruthak. It's Mandukya Karika, second chapter. 34 or something. 33, 34. नापि प्रत्यगात्मा भेदेन प्रत्यगात्मवत् सिद्धिर। Neither प्रत्यगात्मा अभेदेन, one with Pratyagatma. Pratyagatma abhedena Pratyagatmavat. How Pratyagatma is independently existing. Pratyagatmavat, Pratyagatma abhedena Anatmanaha Siddhirna. Why? Jada Jadayor Abheda Yogat. Atma is Ajada, Anatma is Jada. Their Abheda is not possible. Tasmad ahankaradir atmani kalpitaha. Therefore, ahankara is kalpita in Atma. Lot of vichara is done. Yuktis are there, shruti is there, smriti is there. But to accept, to convince myself, ahankara is mithya. And in particular, when somebody doesn't pay attention to you, and when you are seeking lot of attention, to remember that this ahankara is bilkul mithya, kalpita. It's very difficult to digest this. For some people, not for everybody, but for those who want to do sadhana, they have to accept this. So ahankara, everybody wants some recognition, something. Or no recognition, etc. Some sorrow comes, some pain comes. Ahankar goes on complaining about everything. And at that time, if I understand that, what is the use of studying so much? Adhyasa Bhashya, Naishkarmya Siddhi, this Siddhi, that Siddhi. Ultimately, I have to understand this ahankara is mithya. So I have to tell myself The studying, teaching, taking notes is all has to culminate here. It is not to show someone that I know so much. That ahankara mithyatva, I myself should understand, apply it when the situation comes. So to keep it alive in this way, I go on convincing myself that be ready, a time will come when this knowledge will get tested, and don't fail at that time. Don't behave as if I have not studied any Vedanta, because that is what ends up happening. We study. When the exam time comes, test is there, somebody wants to test my ahankar, failed completely. So that should not happen. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।